Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City with Andreas. And we got some cool, fun lights to work with today. I got these NanLite tubes. They're, you guys have probably seen there's lots of companies now putting out these RGBW LEDs, and man, they really allow you to use color in a fun way, So I thought we'd do something with that. Because I've been seeing a lot of people using gels, like this Roscoe kit here, which is super useful if you do not have LEDs or you want to use flash, to kind of create images where they're crossing colors that are complementary, which then basically neutralizes them out. Because if you take a color, like we have red and green, right, and you put them together and you mix them equally, you basically get gray or nothing, neutral light, right? So what's cool about this, right, it might seem like if Andreas was to hold them out, right, you can see clearly like one side of his face is red, the other side is green. But when we start to bring the lights more in front of him and they blend, you can actually see how it becomes neutral. That's because, again, they're complementary colors. So basically, as they cross, they're going to be neutral. And what's fun is because Andreas is not just a flat piece of paper, he's a three-dimensional actual person, he's going to have features. And if we manipulate the lights and don't just hold them perfectly straight, right, we can actually create different color shadows, different patterns of neutrality, plus color in the different shadows. And we can change these up to whatever color we want. So I just found the closest red and green that I thought were kind of neutral, and it took a minute or so. It worked pretty well. And we got that. So we're going to play around with these a little bit. We're going to create some shots, and we're going to play around with colored shadows. We're going to play around with mixing light, and we're going to see what we get. Okay, so let's have some fun, right? We've got the two lights. We went red and blue now, and we're going to just create a bunch of different types of shots here, just kind of messing around with it and just playing with the color. Because one of the great things about these tubes, is that you can just change the color on the fly, mix it up, change the saturation. It's so fast. So it's one of those things where we can really play with them. And then if we find something we really like, we can then work that. But I enjoy just kind of, experimenting with these as we go. So let's kill this. Again, when you're using any kind of constant light source, you want to kill as many of the lights in the space that aren't being used as possible. So let's start with, let's do like a half and half. That'll be really nice. So I'm at, I'm just using the meter and the camera. I'm gonna underexpose a tiny bit, I think. I'm at 125 f4, 500 ISO. Let's take a shot of that and take a peek. I'm gonna capture one as always. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So you see we got the colored stripes on the wall. We've got the one side of his face is blue, the other one's red. And again, blue and red being kind of opposite-ish, right? So let's see if we can cross the lights. Maybe do like, there we go, get kind of a neutrally shot. So I'm gonna come in and not show them to start with. Now the thing is, right, unlike using the perfect gels or whatever, this is not going to be 100% perfect, right? When we come in here, he's a little bit, looks like he's a little bit magenta to me. So if you want to do something like that, you may have to do a slight tweak here. Again, that's one reason why we're shooting raw, we're in capture one, and I can actually make it pretty cool like that. And what's cool here is, look at this, we still have the like weird colored shadows here. So let's actually do that, but let's like work the lights in and out a bit so we can actually mess with those shadows. Yeah, cool. There's also a good exercise, right? We could sell this idea to a gym as a way to get in good shape. Yeah, right. We're just playing around, mixing up the colors, creating this weird vibe, right? Because we have this color going on, right? And we have lots of shadows, lots of mood, and we have a purple background. Yeah, let's do. Yeah, there we go. Looking up is good. So let's try some where we actually move the lights into the shot, because I think that's really fun as well. They're going to overexpose for sure. They do have writing on them. But, it's out of focus, so I'm not that worried about it. Plus, that way we can then, sell them to NanLite as an ad. You have to always think like that. Oh, this is cool composition. Again, playing around with them. By the way, guys, there are adapters. Oh, that's very cool. There are adapters that come with these that allow you to put them on anything quarter 20. That's cool. I'm just checking my exposure again. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay. What's cool about this is, don't fall back to the thing. What's cool about this is that because I'm shooting, with the mirrorless camera, I'm able to just kind of watch. So if my exposure seems like it's getting too out of whack, I can always make adjustments. Oh, I like that. Yeah, come right into the lens. Good. Yeah, that's nice. Good. Fun. All right, let's do sides again. And then I'm just gonna come in. I'm gonna shoot. Let's see. I'm gonna come in, do some horizontals here. Kind of tip them. Yeah, exactly. What's cool about this too is that they're very bright in the shot. So look, they look almost white. Actually, my exposure is a bit hot, so I'm just going to drag. I'm going to go faster on my shutter. That's probably the simplest way to do it. And again, I'm just going. They're overexposing, right? So you can actually see a little tint here, but for the most part, these lights look almost white, and we're getting kind of a fun Oh, there you go. That's kind of cool too. But yeah, do that, but turn them towards me. Nope. Sometimes you think things are cool and they don't work. No, you're just too dark. That's okay. Let's see. Good, good, good. That's nice. Oh, that's cool. So kind of like an underneath vibe. Good, good, good. You drop your chin a bit though, right there. I think we're going to be a little hot. Yeah. So do that, but bring them out this way. Yeah, there we go. This gives that kind of rough, funky vibe. Yeah, it's kind of like not pretty light, but has a lot of character to it. It has character. Oh, there we go. This is your character light. Drop them a smidge in front of you. Good, right there. What's great about this, right, is I can literally just direct the light where I want. That's super nice. That looks a smidge dark, so I'm going to come down on my shutter. Again, I'm just keeping track of my exposure. It's funny how you can create kind of like very clean light, even though we're clearly using a red and a blue light here. Let's do that. I liked it when it was kind of coming towards my lens. So let's actually do that again. Let's put it, actually, Dave, come help. Oh, they're so warm. No, they're actually not. Okay, that's cool. I like it. Looking right towards me, that's nice. I'm gonna go a bit wider on my lens so I could, actually, can you let go of them, Andreas? Will they stay?
All right, Dave, you got it?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind if you can pivot them on my shoulders if you want. Bring them in a bit, Dave, towards Andreas. Oh, I think I had a, yeah, put them, yeah, like that's pretty good right there. Good, right there, oh, yeah. Bring this one in. Right there, right there, right there, hold. This might be a little hot. I'm gonna bring my shutter speed up a bit. Right there, oops. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool, very nice, all right. I think that looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Thanks, Dave. Oh, that's so cool. It really creates this environment. What's funny too is that like how dark it falls off behind you because the light is so close to him, right? It's just really just bringing the light in. And it almost like, you know, your face, because of the different color shape and the different shadows, it almost changes your face in every shot, which is really cool. Let's do a profile, because I love a profile. And put the lights behind you, towards me. Yeah. I'm curious how that's gonna look. Now just bring them slightly forward so they go like that. Right there, stop. Beautiful. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's so neat. Okay, that's pretty neat. Let me do it without getting the, actually, no, I like the lights in the shot. Actually, the chin down was kind of cool. Yeah, and then just bring your eyes a little bit like right here. Just, yeah, right there, perfect, perfect, perfect. Hold on, focusing. Good, 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 last one. Wow, yeah, that's pretty neat, right? And look at how interesting the color gets there. So cool. That's pretty nice, right? That's your Star Wars. When they do the next 9 movies, we'll definitely get you in there. Okay, cool, thanks, that's awesome. I need some light, da-da-da.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. See, you got to bring your lighting everywhere. Just like, you know, all the celebrities, I have my own lighting. So yeah, guys, if you see anything from this, I think the idea here is just play around with color. Color is one of those things that's really going to add something to your shots. Yeah, it can be gimmicky if you don't, you know, if you're just kind of using it for random reasons, but play, see what you like, then create shots that really work with it. And if you want a lot more control, even though these are awesome, you can look into the gels. I'll put a link to those, you know, in the description with all the gear as well. The gels I talked about at the beginning, those will give you more precise, but I find this to be just really a fun way to do it. So I'm going to put Andreas' stuff in the description, his, you know, links. Be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Subscribe to Adorama TV and ring the bell so you get all the videos. And I'll see you next time on set.